Yo, what is up everybody, it's man Pedro Edits and I'm back with a video. I know I've been like gone for a while, just a lot of things happened. But I started like my own little detailing company type thing. So I'm just running you guys to a video of me cleaning the truck today. Because it's really dirty. We went off-roading the other day because it rained all week and I had a lot of fun in it. And you got Draco. Yeah, this thing's really dirty. I thought it'd be pretty satisfying cleaning it for you guys. So yeah, it's gonna be like a detail, even the inside too. Super dirty. It's embarrassing, but dirty in the inside. Bottles, everything just has to be clean. It's gonna be good, huh, Draco? And I gotta clean that today too. So yeah, I just wanted to tell you guys that. Just watch the video. If you guys like, please subscribe, like, share, comment. Yeah, it'd be nice. Crazy. Alright, so now I just gotta rock this off the rest of the truck, and then once I'm done with that, I will foam cannon it, let it sit for a little bit so we get all the bugs out, and then after that just scrub it down a little bit and just wash it, wax it, and detail the inside. Okay, so from here I just foam cannon, blast it, the whole truck, and then I scrub it down after. Yeah. That's done, we're just gonna spray it down, and then I'm gonna probably wash it one more time just to let it sit and get all the dirt out. next step is to dry it off. Okay, so now that that's done, we're going to use this chemical, guys, spray wax, and we're going to apply it on the exterior and just wipe it down for a little bit. Okay, so we have finished the truck completely. I don't want to get the place. I think I got it in the video. We are completely finished. It's the inside. I didn't wash the carpets because it's still muddy and I have to go pick up my sister in mud still. So I'm not even going to clean this because it's going to get full of mud again. So it's no point. But yeah, there's everything detailed. All cleaned up. And that is the full video of me detailing the Ram. And man, I hate how the truck looks on camera sometimes. The angle sometimes, it just makes it look ugly. I mean, I don't know. Every build is beautiful to me. I think my truck is gorgeous. My baby, like, look at that thing. But yeah, so that was the truck. I detail that thing. And then I'm going to have like a customer come, I think, like at 12, and get his truck washed. And then tomorrow I have another couple appointments, and then Sunday I'm kind of booked. So yeah, so that was detailing the truck for myself because this thing was dirty. Catch you guys in the next video.